Hey guys, Albert here with Happy Trailers. Today I wanted to talk about a couple of standout features on this Compass enclose. Up front we got a 2 5/16 coupler, top line jack, 7-way on the harness, and then a fastway breakaway. And coming around to the side here, we've got two 3,500-pound brake axles, giving you a GVWR of 7,000 pounds. And then what that equates to in a payload is 4,785. And as you'll noticeably see on the side here, there's no screws. If you've ever had enclosed before, you'll see those screws pop out all the time. These new composite sides, no issues there. Coming inside the trailer here, you'll see it is equipped with a new translucent roof, which gives you plenty of lighting when you're at a job site, campgrounds. You don't have your truck hooked up to have the light switches on. You still have plenty of light to see what you're doing in here. This trailer is listed for $75.99. You can find it and more at happytrailers.com.